I don't even know how to begin this video other than I want to extend an olive branch. I feel like something that's happening within the cigar community is Pravada kind of came out of nowhere like a bolt of lightning, 1.21 gigawatts. And it was very polarizing in some ways. And so most people have welcomed us with open arms, but I do know, I hear you guys out there. I see you guys on Reddit. I see you guys in C2. I see, you know, all these different, I see Abe at Smoking. Bro, everyone tells me all these things. Like, we get it. We don't understand why though, okay? And I'm not asking why. What I'm saying is this, I'm extending an olive branch. Anything that happened in the past, anything that you've said about us in the past, there's no teams here. This is Cigars. We're supposed to be united, especially at a time where we're gonna have to group up for petitions, lobbying maybe. I mean, this thing's getting bigger and bigger. We're in a different kind of cigar boom. It's not like the 90s was, but we need to be together is all I'm saying. And so I just wanted to put out a quick video to say that, dude, we love cigar culture. Everything that we've done has been with cigar culture's best interest in mind. All the naysaying that I've heard, oh, we rebrand cigars. You can't rebrand cigars and put the person's name on it and say, have them come in here and do an interview saying how the process that they took to make it. We don't do that. This isn't that kind of thing. We're here to sell cigars. It is a business, but we took business to a communal level. And I didn't see that coming, and that's amazing. And it upsets me that we have one of the best communities in cigars, and there are some people that just made up their mind from the gate about Pravada to the point where they don't want to participate now. And this is an extremely pivotal moment. We are, from the last few months on, getting some of the best cigars that I've ever smoked. And I've smoked a lot of cigars. Maybe not as much as some of the OGs that came before me, but I smoked some of their stuff. I've learned from these guys over the last 4 years. I've interviewed them. I've studied them. I've been mentored by them. And we're getting and are going to get some of the best cigars possibly ever made. And I'm not saying you have to join Pravada Cigar Club. This isn't a pitch to get you to sign up for the club. All I'm saying is that we should be united. You should try some of these things when you see them. Don't support me, support the local brick and mortar at your LCA shop. But try these cigars with an open mind. Know that we're focused on the master blenders, the factories. If anything, we're taking a more purist approach. And now that we're at this pivotal moment where things are changing, where we're getting to go direct and we're getting the master blenders inspired so much by all of your enthusiasm, all of the social media they're seeing, that they want to give us now their best work. This is not the time to be divided. This is not the time to hate me or to hate Pravada members or anything like that. All I'm saying is we need, as cigar smokers, to be united. We need to come together and we need to be friendly and fucking courteous to each other. Like, that's the only thing in the Pravada community. It's just positivity. That's it. We get rid of the negative. Even if you've been a member of Pravada and you were extremely negative and we, got you out of the Facebook group or whatever, I'm extending an olive branch right now. Like, it's time for cigar smokers and cigar culture to be a bit more united. And it's time for you guys to realize that we're good for cigars, not bad for cigars. So, Clark, do you want to say anything to that effect or talk about the LCA or anything?
I think you nailed it, dog. You got it.
What has LCA done for the community?
Okay.
I mean, I can't, but you pretty much said
Okay, no, that's fine. I mean, as far as the LCA goes, I mean, I think the LCA is a great example of what we're trying to do here. So this video is turning a little bit more into me selling this idea. That's not what I wanted. What I wanted to say was, I don't hate any of you. I want to be friends with all of you. I think that this community is better together and stronger together. And I just want to set the record straight that I'm not here to be divisive. I'm not here to divide. I'm not here to conquer. I'm here in search of the best cigars I can possibly get, and I want to share them with all of you as long as you're not a jerk. That's it. So hashtag We Are Privada. I'm so proud of the Privada members, and I want to welcome more people into the Privada community. And you don't have to be a part of, you don't have to be a Privada member to be a part of the community, is what I'm saying. So